quick video today. Let's swap these with these. Both from China with love. Why I'm gonna do that? You see it? One is a double bubble, this one. The other one is normal, the original one. One has Honda on it. I'm gonna I was going to break the mirror. And one, it's anonymous. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna remove some screws and try to remove the windscreen without taking out everything, every fairing, all the front one. Let's try. So remember to take out this thing here. There should be one in every hole. The one that are not here actually remained on the fairing here. So take them out, put them on the new one, and then put everything back. Also tried to recreate that black spongy dust cover with my mother's sponge and some tape. Shh, don't tell my mother. Et voilà, les jeux sont faits. Les jeux sont finished. So, overall, looks good. Matching with the fairings isn't perfect. As you can see here, there is a little bit, a little gap, but neither the windscreen nor the fairings are original. So I wasn't expecting like perfect 100% fit, but it's okay. I mean, for 30 euros, it's more than I was expecting. Yeah, here there is a bit of gap, but yeah, it looks great. Okay, see you next time.